Your greatest asset is your earning ability, and your greatest resource is your time. So says Brian Tracy, a personal development consultant and expert in time management. According to Zapia's study and research, wasting time in the workplace costs businesses around $588 billion yearly in the United States. The average worker spends 16% of its lifetime of work in unnecessary meetings and activities. That is staggering, isn't it? For an organization or a business or a firm to accomplish its corporate objectives, productivity and efficiency must be in the front burner in the activity of that organization. I have worked in several companies in management position for the past 25 years, and I have observed how unproductive use of time and resources can affect the bottom line of that organization in terms of capital gain. For you to be productive and efficient, there are certain terminologies you need to understand and know their relationship and then how to apply them. Instances like productivity, efficiency, productive hours, and efficient hours. Productivity refers to the number of work accomplished in a particular work environment over a period of time. Efficiency refers to the capability of producing desired result, excluding vacation time, sick time, personal time, and other kinds of absenteeism. Effective hours refers to the number of hours an employee spends in completing its task, excluding lunchtime and breaks. There are certain steps you need to follow that I will share with you that will help you to become more productive and become the desired employee of your employer. But before doing that, I would like to share some statistics with you that is very, very staggering and disturbing. How do knowledge workers spend their time? If you look at this chart here, it says 18% of knowledge workers spend less than 1 hour a day on core job functions. The next one says 81% spend less than 3 hours a day on creative work, less than 3 hours a day on creative work in the workplace. The third one is the most staggering. It says 90% spend up to 5 hours checking messenger apps each day. 90% spend what? Up to 5 hours checking messenger apps like chatting, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and all other kinds of apps. That means if your company employs you and you expect to spend 8 hours a day, the only productive work you're going to do is just 3 hours. And the 5 hours is spent or wasted in doing things that doesn't have impact or does not impact on the result that the company intends to achieve. That's very unfortunate. So for you to be able to be productive and efficiency, let me share with you some very, very important facts. There are basically 6 steps I'm going to share with you, if which you follow will make you very productive. Step number 1, set out your tasks the day before. For example, if you're going to go to work tomorrow, today, take a sheet of paper and a list and a pen, and then write out all the things or the tasks you intend to do the next day at work. I mean productive work. You write them all out, okay? That's the first step. Take a sheet of paper and a pen, write them all out. And when you go to work the next day, the first thing you do is talk to your boss if you have a boss. And then they have the tax that or taxes that they want you to do for that particular, they take that tax and add it to the list. After adding it to the list and seeing all the tasks which you need to do for that day, the next step is to set a time to accomplish each task. Attach a time to each of the tasks. This task will take me 5 minutes. This task will take me 10. This will take me 15. This will take me 20. This will take me 30. Itemize them in that way. That is the second step. The third step is to prioritize your tasks. The task that will give you the biggest impact should be the task you should do first. So itemize them in the order of importance, which is more important than the other. Tags them by putting tags on them like A, B, C, D, E, F. Task number A is the most important. That is the one you should do first. And then you go to task number B. Do not jump the queue. Do not go to do task number C first before doing task number A. No, do not do that. That will spoil everything for you. So you prioritize all your taxes based on that, and then do the taxes or activity based on how they are itemized. And then the fourth process is to stay focused on the given task when you start. Stay focused on it. Do not change. Do not do any other tasks except those tasks are done. Research has shown that current research proves that continuous responding and reacting to emails, phone calls, text messages affects your brain negatively and shortens your attention span. And that is not good. And it makes it difficult, if not impossible, for you to do what? Complete the task that will have the greatest impact in your future and success. Another research shows that 45 times a day, workers spend in checking their smartphones. Another research shows that 85 times workers spend in checking their smartphones at the workplace every day. And that means that accessing your phones, you do it twice as much as you think. That is very, very disturbing. The fifth step is to review your accomplishment at the end of the day. Review it. Look at what you have accomplished for that day, and then you take it. If there are taxes you are not able to complete for that day, take a different list and move those taxes to that list. And then when you come to work the next day, go through the process all over again. You ask your bosses if you have any, what tax they don't want you to do for that. If they give it to you, you add it to the list. After adding it to the list, what is the next thing you do? You attach a time to each task that needs to be accomplished. And so after attaching a time to each task that needs to accomplish, the next thing you do is that you prioritize your tasks. Put them in A, B, C, D, E, and E. And then the next step is that you focus on doing that task. Do task A first before doing task B. Do not answer your phone. Do not spend time in conversing with your colleague. Do not spend time in talking about the football match that took place yesterday or the party that you went yesterday. Doing that will be doing what? Unproductive work. And at the end of the day, look at all the tasks you have done for that day and review it. And if you review it, whatever that you have accomplished, you take it. The ones that is remaining, you move it to the succeeding day. I hope that this will help you to become more productive in using your time, to help you to be more productive and efficient at work. Thank you.